Hazrat Abdullah bin Abu Qatada reports from his father that he, Abu Qatada, set off in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Abu Qatada, along with some of his companions who were wearing ihram, remained behind, and he was not wearing ihram. His companions before him witnessed an onager and let it go. When Abu Qatada observed it, he rode a horse whose name was Jarada, and asked his companions to hand over him the whip, but they refused to do it. So he took it himself and attacked it and hamstringed it. Then, after slaughtering it, he and his companions ate out of it and marched forward. When they reached him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and narrated the whole story, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do you have any of its meat?" He said, "We have its thigh." So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam took it from him and ate it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2854.